Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn How to Edit Stuff. My name is Ian, and today I'm going to show you guys my own personal Runway workflow and how I utilize generative AI for both images and video. And if you're one of those people who doesn't see the benefit in using AI for content creation, you can kindly unsubscribe from this channel, close the video, and never come back again. Goodbye, good day. Now, to me, there are tons and tons and tons of practical uses for generative AI when it comes to video for both big and small tasks. For example, if I wanted to tell you what I had for dinner last night, I could say a taco salad, a margarita, and a bowl of chocolate ice cream. Yes, those images were AI generated and they had a practical use in this video as quick B-roll. And guess what else? I saved a ton of time. I didn't have to go on Google, I didn't have to search for anything, I didn't have to go to a stock photo website, I just generated exactly what I needed. Okay, I get it, food is kind of easy on its own, but what if I wanted to show you everything I ate for dinner last night, all in the same frame? If I wanted it to look even somewhat passable, I would have to Photoshop the living crap out of that image and probably spend way too much time trying to get it to look good, ultimately to just delete the file and walk away from the project altogether because this isn't something that can be searched for on Google, and Photoshopping it would take forever. Instead, I can generate it. Boom, done. Here's another, and another. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it saves so much time. And you know, I love to save time because time is money, and I love saving money. I don't really save money, I spend money. That's not the point. The point is, you can generate the image in Runway, you can edit the image in Runway, you can get variations of that image in Runway, you can do all the augmentation and editing and expansion and everything that you need, and apply that to video as well. So when it comes to saving time, that's why I love Runway so much. That's why I wanted to work there in the first place, because I saw the path of least resistance to saving the most amount of time possible when doing content creation, and that to me is a huge win, and I'm excited to share with you guys my workflow today. But on a serious note, before we jump in, I would really like a thumbs up, a comment in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all things Learn How to Edit Stuff. And we are diving into Runway right now. Buckle up, let's get after it. So if you're wanting to generate images, I would recommend you start here in the text to image tool. All you have to do is type in what you want and Runway will generate it for you. Make sure you specify the dimensions of the generated images and any additional modifiers you want to apply to achieve your goal. No matter what you generate, you'll have the opportunity to edit and augment that image in the next tool, Erase and Replace. Erase and Replace gives you a brush and a prompt box so you can make selective edits to your generated images to fix or add things as needed. Now that my image is edited, I can pop over into Infinite Image where I can start to outpaint my image and expand the canvas infinitely, or use the Expand Image tool, which will automatically change the dimensions of your image to a specific size with a specific prompt automatically. Honestly, both tools are great and they kind of do similar things. You can use whatever you want for this step. Next, I take my image into Image to Image, which will allow me to get multiple variations of my image in any style or format that I want. If I type in what the image actually is, it will give me many variations of that image. If I type in something completely different, for example, Banksy street art, it will use my image and blend it with the prompt that I put in, giving me something entirely new and different. Now you can repeat those steps to your heart's content to continue editing and iterating on your image creations. Once you're done, you can upscale your image with the Image Upscale tool for a higher definition result. No more photoshopping, no more annoying pen tool, no more feathering, no more compositing, no more content, none of that. Just generate what you need in Runway, and it's easy, and then you can edit it, and then you can get variations, and then you can do it again, and again, and again, and again, and it just takes your imagination and puts it inside of a computer. That's what we all want at the end of the day, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what I want. And by the way, all of these steps that we just covered work with normal photographs and other pieces of artwork as well. All you have to do is upload that photo or artwork into Runway and just edit it with all of those tools that we just covered. So that's pretty much my image generation workflow every single time. I start with text to image, then I bring it into Erase and Replace or Infinite Image to do my editing. Then from there, I go into Image to Image for all the variations of the images, and then I upscale it. And then I just repeat that process over and over again. And you don't need much more than that to have like infinite, boundless creativity, which is great. And on the video side of things, it pretty much works the exact same way, except we're gonna interject Gen 1 into the process, which is a video to video model. So you're gonna do all the image stuff and then you're gonna apply it to Gen 1. Here's how you do it. Grab the video you wanna use, then take a screenshot of that video. Now bring that screenshot into Image to Image to get stylized variations of your image. Once you're done, upscale, then head over to Gen 1. Select your video and your image prompt that you just created and make your style adjustments and click on Generate Previews to see a thumbnail preview of what your video will look like. Continue to make refinements and adjustments to your settings to get the perfect results, then click generate, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a completely new stylized video that you achieved following the same basic workflow for image generations and applying it to video with Gen 1 you're welcome. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I use generative AI inside of Runway ML for images and for video to achieve my creative goals, expand my creative consciousness, all while saving time and making really awesome stuff and just having a genuinely good time. And you know what I always say, but I'm gonna say it again because it's just brand recognition at this point. Time is money. Time is one of the most valuable resources that we have as a human species. It's the only thing that you can't get more of, okay? It's a finite resource. So don't waste your time on tedious, stupid tasks that you can just use AI for. AI is great. It's helping us all achieve our creative goals, expand our creative consciousness, and we're all super excited about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Ian. This is Learn How to Edit Stuff. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm gods will shine their light upon me. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below, and certainly don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date on all things Learn How to Edit Stuff. We're back, baby. I'm excited, and I will see you. I'll see you in the next one.